Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today you're going to do the Russian squats with me. Okay, so maybe you're not going to do them with me, but they're actually a really lovely exercise. You'll likely and should learn them on your standing arm springs. It's just definitely better to learn them on a non-moving piece of equipment, but it's a really fun exercise that I encourage people to enjoy. Requires a lot of strength and stability, and you'll definitely challenge your powerhouse. So to get in them, you have two springs on, two heavy springs. You're kind of at the back of your equipment, right? And you are like a water skier. I've never water skied, so, but in my mind, that's what I'm doing. And then to stand up, I'm pushing forward in my feet. So I'm kind of feeling like I'm moving the carriage forward, and that allows me to have a lot more control on the exercise. And then you just squat down and lift your arms up and then come back up. So the carriage doesn't move that much, but man, this is a really hard exercise. How low can you go without really letting that carriage rock and roll or close and open and lift your arms up and come back down? So it's kind of like a really, really hard rolling like a ball to standing, right? A really awesome way to challenge your stomach massage to close the springs. You just slowly lean forward, put it down. There's things you can do up there, depending on the length of your reformer. I've seen people do bicep curls. I've seen a lot of other things standing up there. That's something worth exploring. This is an 80-inch reformer, like the original size. So it doesn't really allow me and where my strength is today to do some of that other stuff. But just going up and down with those squats is super awesome. And once you get over the fact that you could fly off, it's really actually doable. So it's not so super advanced as much as I think we like to think it is. It's just more an advancement of a lot of pieces of your Pilates practice. So I'd love to hear how it feels in your body in the comments below. If you have any questions, ask down there. While I don't normally put this exercise in an OPC class, because there's so many different levels of people all around the world, in the OPC membership group, I do help people work through things like this in their own practice, because that's where you're growing, right? There's always another level to your Pilates practice. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.